Welcome, my name is Ricardo and I work as a global product manager for Codian. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace the wear parts on our light payload robots, and in this case on the secondary arms. I start off with our standard arm, and in the close-up window you can see the purple cup inside the cup holder. This is the wear part that you need to change. It depends on use, but on average you need to change them once every 6 months. To change them, you need the following parts. Of course, you need a new cup. In this case, you need the purple cup. This is the standard cup we use for our standard robots. You need a small bolt, which you can enter or twist on the back side of the cup holder. And to further help you when necessary, you need a small Allen wrench. So, if you want to replace the cup, the first thing of course is you detach the arms, you take away the springs, and you end up with the loose arm. You then take the small bolt, you twist it in on the back side. In most cases you can do this by hand, because if you twist you can see the cup coming out quite easily, like this. If it goes a bit tight or you need more force, you can in that case use your small Allen wrench. After the cup comes out, you take out the bolt on the back side, of course, and you press in a new one, a new cup. You hear a click, and then it's important to feel if it's aligned with the cup holder. If this is the case, then it's placed in correctly. Next to using an Allen wrench and a small bolt, there's also another way you can remove the cup, and this is by using a compressor. We have one here. And what you then do is you place the compressor on the back side. I would advise you to keep your hand around the cup holder because the cup flies out, and then you put in some air pressure and then it comes out. Procedure afterwards is the same. You press it in, you feel if it's aligned, and if that's the case, you can proceed with your next arm or your next cup. This is as easy as it gets to change a cup on a standard secondary arm. This is for our D4 line. We have more or less the same arm for our D5 robots. The only difference between the D4 and the D5 arm is the cups are the same. The way to change them is also the same. Use the bolt on the back side, twist it out and press in a new cup, or you can use the air compressor. But there's an extra part here, and these are the rollers you see, and this is because we use different springs here. These also wear. It is advised to change them when you also change the cup. It's just a simple procedure, and all your parts on your arms have changed, so you have brand new parts on the arm. To change this, you need 2 small Allen wrenches, like this, and of course, a new roller. In this case you need 2 because otherwise you can't open it. You place in one and you use the other to open the screw, the bolt. Take it out like this. Important, I forgot to mention, you will also need some blue Loctite to reattach the screw to make sure that it's tight enough. Don't use too much, otherwise you can't open the screws anymore. So, after you twisted it out, you take away the old roller, you place on the new one. Then you take the blue Loctite, 243. Just a small drop's enough. I'm not doing it right now because this is the parts we use for the videos. And then you reattach the screw. Don't twist it in too tightly. Just enough is enough. And there you have it. You've changed the roller and the cup. If you do this more often, it will take you about 10 minutes for the whole robot to change the cups and the rollers for a D5. In our light payload line, we have another type of robot, and this is our HD line, our hygienic design line. Difference here is that we have the rollers again. Procedure for changing the rollers is slightly different because you do not use an Allen wrench. You just have a normal bolt, so you need a normal wrench to open them up. And the color of the cup is different. This is a blue cup, a hygienic cup. You cannot use purple cups on an HD arm. So in worst case, you find yourself ending up with some purple cups. Do not use them. You need the blue cups, especially for the HD line. They are FDA compliant. Another difference is, for hygienic reasons, there's no hole on the backside of the cup holder. So in this case, the most easy way to take out the cup is by using a compressor again, compressed air. You place it in and then you pop it out. And then after a few tries, it pops out. It's advised to clean a bit. And then you take your new cup. In this case, it's the same. Procedure is you press it in the same way. You feel if it's aligned, and if it's aligned, you have changed again the cup on your secondary arm. Sorry. This is how easy it is to change the wear parts on the light payload secondary arms of our robots. If you have any questions or you need some help after seeing this video, you can always reach out to us via email or through your B&R contact person. Thank you.